The first time I came to Nigeria was about 10 years back. That was in 2013. And it was my desire to give a talk in the African country. I've been to South Africa many times, but South Africa is different than the other African countries because it was ruled by the white apartheid government earlier. So I've been to South Africa many times because I was inspired by Sheikh Ahmed Didat. But in terms of an African country to give a lecture, it was about 10 years back that I came first time to Nigeria in 2013. And I was quite shocked that so many people know me, and I wasn't aware. And then I realized that the Peace TV is popular here when I came in 2013. And now coming after 10 years, I think it's more popular. So alhamdulillah, I never expected such a large audience to be there. And I remember last time when I came, the audience was very large. And it was a good thing to be in Nigeria, mashallah. That I know that Nigeria is one of the Muslim majority countries in the world. Out of the 57 countries that are there, Nigeria is one of them. But according to Worldometer, it was 223.8 million. A few days back, sorry. Alhamdulillah, so, and in the world population, I think, Nigeria is the 5th or 6th largest country in the world. Now, number 1 is India, where I come from. Then is China. Then is USA. Then is Indonesia. And then is Nigeria. So Nigeria is the 5th largest populated country in the world.
That's right.